Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how to get your own house blurred in Google Maps. So it is not that difficult process, but make sure that you are doing it and you are sure that you want to do so. It's because this process is irreversible. You can't really change it if you did this. So please make sure that you are doing it. And please remember that you are doing it on your own house. It's because if you are not the owner of the house, it's prohibited. And now, so if you want to do so, first we have to enter Street View. So we have to just tap somewhere to enter Street View. Here, for example, this location. And I want this building to be blurred. So we have to tap here, tap these three dots in the top right corner, and tap Report a Problem. As you can see, it redirected us to the website, Google website, to report inappropriate Street View. Here if we zoom it in, we can mark the preview for this building exactly. And here, as you can see, we have why are reporting this image. Here we have request blurring, and what would you like us to blur? My home. And here we have I certify that I have the authority to request the blurring of this property because I am the owner or tenant. I also understand that this blurring is irreversible and cannot be undone. And you can include here some information that this house is exactly yours, and then you have to scroll down to the email address which is required for contacting to you, do a CAPTCHA, and then submit your request. Of course, remember that this process is not reversible. Is irreversible, so you can't change that back. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.